Welcome back to another video, guys. We have the tractor torn apart. We have everything off that we're going to be taking off. I didn't film much of it because it's pretty simple to tear apart a tractor. It's harder putting it back together. But we have all of our paint supplies down here. We've ordered new parts. We have new headlights coming in. We have some new wiring, ton of stuff coming in. We have our Ford Red paint with our hardener and reducer. We got some new wire wheel, wire brushing. I'll show you on the tractor where we need that. We have plastic bodysuit, Harbor Freight spray gun, which has pretty good reviews for as cheap as it is. So we'll kind of see. Then we have some aircraft stripper for the hood, which like I said, we'll get into later. Alrighty, so I'll show you the tractor here real quick. Like I said, we have all the tin off of it. We've already sprayed it down once, and I have just some duct tape over the holes so we don't have water issues. I made sure everything was tight. We're gonna take that tape off once we get a final clean on it done. We have the gauges out. It looks pretty clean. The paint's really good, so we're not gonna have to strip it. We are just gonna basically wire wheel it, scuff it up, especially some loose spots, which you see down in here. It's not chipping, but it's really rough. So we're gonna get a wire wheel to that. We're probably gonna be taking these off to access that a little better. That's the only place that it's doing it, because up here, it's a little rough, but it's not peeling. Everything looks really good on the engine. I checked all the plugs. We don't have any fouling or anything, which is really good. I was gonna replace the distributor and stuff, but I think I'm just gonna paint everything and then replace that later because everything works really good right now. We have the gas tank out. We have the fenders all apart, the grill. We're gonna strip all those, get all those painted, and we just have an absolute mess in the garage. Alright, so we're gonna get this thing back outside and we're going to run it down. Now we are using Purple Power. Everybody highly recommended it, so we're going to get that back out. We're gonna get everything sprayed and get it power washed one more time before we start wire wheeling tomorrow. Alrighty guys, we're back out here working on the tractor again. We have the last pieces off that we're going to be taking off of this tractor before we get the wheels off and we get it painted, and that was the floorboards, so we can access all the bottom there. Whoever painted this last time obviously didn't take the floorboards off. They didn't take the radiator off. They didn't take a lot of stuff off. They kind of just took the fenders off and sprayed it. So we're making sure we do it right this time. Our next steps now are to get everything wire wheeled and get it scuffed up on all the loose paint. The Purple Power did wonders. So here's Purple Power. This stuff worked amazing. It really dissolved all the grease, especially around the governor area and around all the grease ports. It really took it right off. Alright guys, so we are jumping around quite a bit. We've done a lot since the last time I filmed. We have the temporary paint booth kind of set up. We're gonna wrap this entire thing in plastic so we don't have any paint escaping whatsoever. Probably gonna pull the boat out just in case. I'll show you up close. We got the wheels off. We're going to do a final wipe down because once I got those wheels off, we did have some dirt in some places. So as you can see, like I said, the wheels are off. We have the manifold off and we'll be taping that up, as well as the radiator holes, which is one here and there's one there. So we'll get all that kind of stuff taped up. I'm not worried about any of the wiring, any of the plugs. I'll show updates every single day. We're gonna be doing about 2 to 3 coats on this. That's going to take about 2 to 3 days, one per day. We wanna make sure we fully get it cured. So it is a new day, guys, and we have everything plasticed off. We are ready to start painting this tractor. Now, we're just gonna be doing the red for now because we still don't have the paint for the fenders, because I still do not know what I want to do, whether I'm gonna go to an old school gray or stick with this brownish color, which I'd have to order paint and wait on it. We have the fenders, we have the air cleaner, the box for the battery, and the bumper and stuff. So that's kind of what it's looking like in there. Everything is taped off. We did take the manifold off and we got everything taped. Our radiator holes, the spark plugs I taped, left them in. We got the boot even done. This was never painted and I really like it not painted, so I taped it off. We're gonna get this stuff hung up here from the rafters. Hopefully that works. And once we get that done, we're ready to start painting. Welcome to a new day, guys. We are back out here. We have 2 coats done on this tractor. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go in here, show you some different areas. Some areas are really hard to get to, which I thought with a spray gun would be a little easier. Today's the 3rd coat. It is the final coat. I'm probably going to end the video here, and then the next video is going to be the finishing touches, the tins, and getting it all back together. Alrighty, so as you can tell, the paint booth is working. We have a shop light up there if we need it. We have some different things hanging from the top. This worked out very well. It's holding all the paint in like it's supposed to. It's looking really, really good. Some of the rough parts where the tractor was just, I don't know, it's just old. So some of the parts I couldn't get are still rough, but the paint's coating very nice. I still have to get back here a little more. You can kind of see the discoloration there. Alrighty guys, so like I said, I'm gonna end it there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can keep doing stuff like this. More videos to come once we get this tractor done. Hopefully we're gonna start doing some boat stuff that we need to get done. We're still waiting on those truck parts. Christmas season, holiday season, so they're just taking forever. But yeah, hope you're enjoying. Make sure you like and subscribe like I said, and we will see you on the next one.